Hey guys, super simple, easy, quick video for you today. This is copying, pasting, and using the option and drag feature to make a copy of a selected object. I'm going to go through and show you a couple different ways to do this. So first things first, if I grab my selection tool and I click and drag around this entire logo, all right? I want to make a copy of this logo because my client also has a division of their company called FabWorks Scenic. So if I click Command C and then click Command V, that will make a copy of that logo, okay? Obviously that came in a little sloppy, so I like to do it this way. If I click Option, click and drag, and then hold my Shift key down at the same time, if you guys see that logo just snapped right back into place. This is nice because I want my client to see a nice, clean presentation, okay? I'll go through and just change this to say Scenic. And we would do this in a much more scientific way in the future, but for the purpose of this video, you guys get the gist. I'm not having to make a super tremendous amount of changes. Let's say I want to copy and paste this into a new file. Same process, Command C, I go to my new file, Command V, and I can paste and scale that object inside that file. Last thing is understanding that you can also do the same thing by going into another piece of software. Command C, and if I open Photoshop, let's open Photoshop here, I can hit Command V, and it's going to give me the option of whether I'd like to paste this in as layers, smart object, pixels, path, or shape layer. I'm going to go through and hit smart object. I almost said shape, smart object, and I'm going to click OK. And let me tell you the reason why I'm doing that. This image right here, I know it's an added bonus that I'm telling you guys this, but this image right here is still vector inside Photoshop, guys. Ta-da, super cool. And if I want to go through and make an edit to this, I double click this icon right here and it will open it up in a smart object that I can go through and find, because it always opens up way off on the edge of the artboard here. I can make a change to that file. Let's change this yellow here. Let's change this to a different color so you guys can see how this works. I'm going to change it to red, hit Command S, go back to Photoshop, boom, done. Right? Super cool, guys. Hopefully you guys found this to be easy and helpful to you. If you need any help or you have any questions, feel free to reach out, guys. I'm always here to help.